Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. First of all, I am very sorry for delay of the video. From past 10 days I did not upload any video in YouTube due to some works. From now I work consistently and upload a video every 2 days. So please support me and encourage me. So let's discuss about this video. Coming to this video, you already see in thumbnail. Create a icons directly in React app. How it possible? It possible without using the Bootstrap. So let's discuss. It involves in mainly 3 steps. First one is installing the React icons, and second one is search for which icon you want, and third one is imported. So we go in stepwise process. You can understand clearly. So first step, installing the React icons. By do this step, we simply type this command in your terminal: npm install React icons. Wait a minute, it installed it. So it successfully installed in my VS Code, and we completed first step. Coming to second step. Second step is which icon you want. You search for icon. That means, first of all, open the website called React icons and click on first link. And this is the website where we get the code for the icon. And if you want any icon, just search for icon. So for now I search for heart icon. So there are plenty of icons you want. Which icon you like it, just click on that icon. I like this icon, I just click on this one. So here you got a pop-up like copied AI field hot. So you the name of the icon you copied. So how it imported? It is coming back to third step. So come back to third step, importing the icons from that website. How it possible? So you just see carefully how I imported. Write import. You copy that icon name. No, just paste here. AI fill hot, and from React icons slash. Here we got first name AI. So type here small AI. That's it. And import like this AI hot. That's it. This is how we imported. Let's start the server npm start. How it works. Wait a minute. Yeah, you got the icon. So this is how we import the icons to React app without using Bootstrap. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.